If you're looking to integrate ClickBank products with Practice Better, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do it, and I'll also share some tips on making the most out of this integration. Stick around till the end, because I'll show you an exclusive offer for an extended free trial, plus an alternative solution that may be even better for your needs. First, let's talk about what Practice Better is. It's a popular platform used by health and wellness professionals to manage clients, appointments, and services. But when it comes to selling digital products, like those from ClickBank, things get a little tricky because the two platforms don't have a built-in integration. So, you're going to need to use a third-party tool, like Zapier, to make this work. Next thing, before diving into the integration, make sure you have a ClickBank account and a Practice Better account set up. You'll also need to sign up for a Zapier account if you don't already have one. Zapier is a tool that connects apps and automates workflows, so it's perfect for bridging the gap between ClickBank and Practice Better. Now, let's move on to the setup. In Zapier, you're going to create a news app. This is just a fancy word for an automated workflow. For the trigger, select ClickBank and choose a trigger event that fits your needs, like sale completed. This will notify Zapier when someone purchases a product from your ClickBank marketplace. The third thing, you'll then need to connect your ClickBank account to Zapier. It's a pretty straightforward process. Just follow the prompts and authorize Zapier to access your ClickBank account. Make sure you choose the right product or products you want to sell and track so that Zapier knows what's being sold. Once that's done, you're going to move on to the action part of his app. For this, you'll choose Practice Better as the app to connect with. Your goal here is to create a new client or booking, depending on how you want to organize your process. For example, you might want to create a new client profile in Practice Better whenever someone buys a ClickBank product. The fourth thing, this step is all about mapping the fields from ClickBank to Practice Better. In Zapier, you'll match data from the ClickBank sale, like the customer's name, email, and purchase details, with the corresponding fields in Practice Better. This ensures that the customer's information is seamlessly transferred over. You can also set up follow-up emails or notifications once the sale happens. Finally, test this app to make sure it's working. Once you're confident everything is set up, you can turn the Zap on and let the automation take over. At this point, the integration is done. You've now connected ClickBank products with Practice Better, and the process should be pretty smooth moving forward. But here's the catch. Practice Better, while effective, might not always be the best tool for automating the whole ClickBank experience. If you want a more streamlined solution that better serves your goals, I recommend checking out Alternative Tool. It's better suited for managing digital products, and it includes built-in integrations that you won't find in Practice Better. Plus, it comes with an extended free trial exclusive to our viewers. So, if you're ready to take your ClickBank and Practice Better setup to the next level, make sure you check out the link below to grab that exclusive offer. You'll get access to the best free trial and benefits only available here. And trust me, you'll want to check out the alternative solution too. It's the smarter way to manage both your products and your client data. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.